On its way to connect more of the world, AST SpaceMobile is laying a firm foundation in commercial and defense sectors. A major win as of late comes from the $30 million contract with the U.S. Space Development Agency, SDA, for its Europa Track 2 Commercial Solutions Program. Representing its first-ever prime contract under AST SpaceMobile USA, its wholly owned defense subsidiary. The contract, awarded under the Hybrid Acquisition for Proliferated Low Earth Orbit HALO program, will utilize AST SpaceMobile's Bluebird satellite constellation to demonstrate low-latency, resilient, tactical satellite communications. These communications will be directly transmitted between government end devices, marking a significant step towards integrating commercial satellite infrastructure for military and government applications. The project will demonstrate how AST's space-based architecture can support high-bandwidth data transport from low Earth orbit to existing military radios through on-orbit demonstrations. Chris Ivory, CEO of AST SpaceMobile USA, noted that the contract validated AST SpaceMobile's ability to quickly operationalize commercial space technology for national security. This project aligns with the Department of Defense's vision for a proliferated warfighter space architecture, aimed at enhancing military communication systems with scalable capabilities via commercial infrastructure. In addition to government contracts, AST SpaceMobile is working on rapidly expanding its satellite constellation. Recently, it successfully launched its Bluebird 6 satellite, which features the largest commercial communications array antenna ever deployed in low Earth orbit, spanning 2,400 square feet. The satellite supports peak data speeds of up to 120 megabits per second, significantly improving bandwidth compared to previous models. Looking ahead, AST SpaceMobile plans to launch 45 to 60 Bluebird satellites by the end of 2026. The Bluebird 7 satellite will be the second satellite in its next-generation series. The launch will be part of a broader strategy to build a space-based cellular broadband network that directly connects with standard smartphones, enabling both commercial and government use. This aggressive satellite rollout plan includes leveraging Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, which has a large 7-meter fairing that can accommodate up to 8 Bluebird satellites per flight. AST's financial orbit stays on course as it raised over $3.5 billion in capital during 2025, securing approximately $3.9 billion in liquidity by the end of the year. It also achieved $70.9 million in total revenue for 2025, marking its first year of generating revenue, driven by sales of commercial gateways and government contracts. In Q4 2025, AST reported revenue of $54.3 million, beating expectations by 37.7%. However, it had an EPS loss of 26 cents, missing forecasts. Despite this, it remains confident in its future revenue trajectory, projecting that 2026 revenue could reach $150 to $200 million, with upside potential as commercial services begin later in the year. AST's commercial prospects are supported by an extensive network of partnerships with mobile network operators, MNOs, worldwide. It has agreements with over 50 MNOs, including Verizon, Vodafone, Rakuten, and STC Group, covering nearly 3 billion subscribers globally. These partnerships significantly fuel AST's planned expansion into space-based cellular broadband services. By the end of 2026, AST plans to have its satellite network in place, providing coverage for consumers, enterprises, and governments, with an emphasis on delivering 4G and 5G services directly to smartphones without any device modifications. When talking about more growth from defense capabilities, AST also secured a prime contract position with the U.S. Missile Defense Agency, MDA, for its SHIELD program. This indefinite delivery/indefinite quantity IDIQ contract allows AST to compete for task orders related to missile defense systems, further strengthening its position in the defense sector. The SHIELD program is part of the Golden Dome strategy to protect against various types of threats, including air, missile, space, and cyber risks. As for risks that AST faces, it's mostly concern over scaling satellite production and meeting its ambitious deployment schedule. After all, constructing a constellation is complex and costs a lot, not to mention the stress of meeting timely satellite launches to satisfy market expectations. Regardless, AST and its connected supporters see these as manageable challenges, drastically overshadowed by the enormous payoff of developing a space-based cellular broadband network, as well as the boost from its expanding defense contracts and growing network of global partnerships that position it to play a significant role in the future of satellite communications, which will give us the ability to watch the stock market from essentially anywhere on the Earth with a connection to a platform like TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.